Hello, today we're going to talk about the inflationary picture in the US and the Eurozone, and we're seeing that the United States core PCE price index month on month change, which excludes food and energy, increased by 0.2% in July 2023, maintaining the same pace as in June and aligning with market expectations. The annual rate, regarded as the Federal Reserve's preferred measure of inflation, saw a slight rise as anticipated, reaching 4.2% from June's 4.1%. When factoring in food and energy costs, the PCE price index climbed 0.2% from the previous month at 3.3% from the corresponding period in the previous year. Elsewhere in the Eurozone, we're seeing that the Eurozone inflation rate unexpectedly stabilizes. The annual inflation rate in the Euro area remains steady at 5.3% in August 2023, more than 2.5 times above the ECB target rate of 2% and above the market consensus of 5.1%, a preliminary estimate showed. Energy prices decreased at a slower pace by -3.3% versus -6.1% in July. On the other hand, inflation slowed for food, alcohol, and tobacco. And if we're looking at non-energy industrial goods, we're also seeing a 4.8% rise versus 5%, and services 5.5% versus 5.6%. On a monthly basis, consumer prices rose by 0.6% in August. Meanwhile, core inflation rate, a crucial underlying measure that filters out volatile food and energy prices, cooled as expected to 5.3% from July's 5.5%. And if we're talking about Eurozone and inflation, we also have to talk about the ECB and the European Central Bank policymakers maintained the possibility of a September rate hike when they raised interest rates in July, but certain members appeared to suggest that such a move might no longer be necessary. We shall see whether this really materializes, but if we look at the overall development of the inflation, we're still seeing that the central banks will not see their target rates materializing anytime soon. And that's why we have to prepare ourselves to be confronted with continuing statements of the central banks that central banks will likely increase interest rates even further than where we are from now, and this will hamper the market sentiment from time to time, and this will also increase the volatility in the market space. If you would like to receive further updates on what's going on in the market space, please like and subscribe. Thank you.